there, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the Stationery Kit, Journaling Kit, and Deluxe Journaling Kit from the July 2025 Where the Sea Dreams collection. Here is our Where the Sea Dreams Journaling Kit. This is a kit that is fantastic for people that use a bound journal or don't like to include a lot of bulk on their projects. We have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers. You can see that there is a mix of not only decorative images, but then also the background watercolor swatches. And then on this sheet, we also have the days of the week. We have our vellum stickers. These are printed on a vellum-like sticker paper. And these are a little bit thinner than your average sticker paper. So again, it's perfect if you prefer to not have a lot of bulk on your pages. We have the phrases, the background watercolor splashes, and then these strips that mimic washi tape, which is great if you just want like a little bit of a pattern and not a whole roll. We definitely love that. Then we have all of these decorative images and also more of those strips. Alphabet stickers were always a fan favorite. And then we have 2 full sheets of stickers that are wonderful for using just as is, or if you want to cut out certain sections to use in a specific space in your project. This kit also comes with this decorative 4x6 card that not only looks cute, but the back also includes 10 journaling prompts for this month or any other month, and a roll of washi tape. This one has a blue sort of wave pattern on it and is absolutely beautiful. That is a look at the July 2025 Where the Sea Dreams Journaling Kit, and you can subscribe to this on our website. Let's unbox the Where the Sea Dreams Deluxe Journaling Kit. This kit comes in our heavy-duty folder that also has a Velcro closure. This folder is great for not only storing your kits, but also for taking them on the go. Let's start by taking a look at the 2 packages of rub-on transfers. They're so beautiful, and you have the watercolor swatches and then also the various images, and then this other package of rub-on transfers as well, which also includes some of the images and then each of the days of the week. The rub-on transfers are also included in the journaling kit as well. Next up, we have our patterned papers, and these are included in our planner kit. These are 13 inches by 8.5 inches, and then they're scored in the center for easy folding. We also have this shell design with the tan anchor, or the tan background with the white anchors. And then the third paper that is like this is this beautiful with the subtle lighthouse pattern. And then on the inside, we have this just stunning sort of underwater scene as well. We have 2 more patterned papers that are exclusive to this deluxe journaling kit, and they are beautiful neutrals that are wonderful for layering and using in your projects. We have 2 specialty papers as well that are also exclusive to this kit. We have a vellum that has gold foil anchors. And then we also have this really cute mesh that is totally mimics, like say, a net or something like that, which is wonderful with the underwater theme. There is a sheet of PET stickers. These are perfect for projects that you don't want to add a lot of bulk to because these are so very thin. And these are also included in our planner kit. We have our card, it's 4x6, and on the back there are 10 journaling prompts. We have this exclusive stamp set that is only found in this particular kit. We have this absolutely adorable sticky notepad. It's in the shape of a tag and then also includes the little gold chain at the top. Very cute. We have some ephemera, and these are also found in our Where the Sea Dreams planner kit. And this ephemera, there are a variety of different shapes. So for example, you can see there are some decorative ones like these shells and the fish. Lots of beautiful designs in a variety of sizes. And then you also have not only the decorative ones, but then we also have the different tabs, which are perfect for creating your own dividers. And they are in various different patterns from this collection. We also have a roll of washi tape, which is exclusive to this particular kit. It is a tone-on-tone blue with shells. Isn't that cute? And then we also have our vellum stickers. These stickers are also included in our Where the Sea Dreams journaling kit. The vellum paper is a little bit thinner than the regular paper stickers, and so therefore creates a lower profile, which is perfect if you don't want the added bulk in your projects. There are a couple of sheets of full pattern stickers. These are great for using as is, or you can cut them apart, you know, like say cut off a little corner and then use it in the corner of your design. And then there are these days of the weeks and the dates, and then these little boxes at the bottom. So that is the Where the Sea Dreams Deluxe Journaling Kit. How about we take a look at the Where the Sea Dreams Stationery Kit? This kit is full of some really fun items, including this acetate overlay. You can see the top is clear, and then the bottom and the side have this really cute underwater scene. Isn't that super fun? There is also this sheet of vellum, and it is a light tan / beige color, and it has a grid and a map design. It's really, really fun. I think it would look very cute punched in a planner or also included in a journal as well. Like I can see creating like a little tip in with that. We have a sheet of PET stickers, and they're so cute. Look at the anchor and the star, and then you have turtles and fish, just a wide variety of different images to use in your projects. And the great thing about PET stickers is that they're very, very thin, so they really don't add any bulk to your projects at all. In this kit, we also have our textured watercolor-like paper postcard. It really is a postcard too. You can add your stamp, your address, send it off, and then the back side is just this beautiful, cute little image right there. We have 2 of our giant tags, one including this cute fish on the green rope background, and then this watercolor looking one that says, "May you always have a shell in your pocket and sand in your shoes." Next up, we have our wonderful little sticker sheets. So we have the days of the week, a variety of different types and fonts. And then we also have some little luggage tags and tickets and all kinds of different stickers. And then a sheet of decorative stickers that include shells and starfish and fish. It's really just so cute and a lot of fun. We have a sticky notepad this month that features a little shell on it, and it says, "All we have is now." Super cute. And then we have some ephemera. These are like a washi material, and they are self-adhesive. So all you have to do is pull the back off and you already have the adhesive. There's that little fish still in the package, but I'm not gonna fish him out. So we have a bunch of different designs, big fish with the other sea plants, and then a small fish and a shell and another shell, and then one of the giant fish with the big fan tails. So lots of different underwater scenes in those ephemera. And we also have a dangle clip this month. This one is a beauty for sure. It's a beautiful gold clip. And then it also includes the blue and green beads. Can you see that right there? So pretty. And then little shell and starfish, and then another shell, little charm as well. Just so beautiful. And these dangle clips are designed, to go in, say, at the bottom of your notebook or planner or whatever, and then the dangle hang out at the bottom. However, it works lots of different ways as well, so don't get hung up on that. If you're not into that, you could definitely use it on the side or wherever else, but just know that the beads and the charms are so pretty. Okay, so then we have our little pin. It has a pin back. You can see that right there. And then this really cute oceany design on the top. And this will work with the giant clip that is sold in the Daisy store. So here is the giant clip. It has a magnet on here. All you have to do is just pull the little pin out of the back, and then you can attach that to the magnet part, and you have a nice giant paper clip. And then last but not least, we have a roll of washi tape. And this is just a beautiful underwater scene. It has a wide variety of images that you have seen throughout this collection. So pretty, right? So that is the Where the Sea Dreams stationery kit, and you can subscribe to this kit and all of the rest of them on our website at www.cocodaisy.com.